Adelina goes shopping for her younger brother's school supplies. Please read the rest and pause as needed. So we're going to find the average daily balance for this one, and then also, as it says there, the finance charge, and we'll talk about the minimum amount due. Notice this is a more realistic example than the previous one because it starts in the middle of the month instead of usually on the first. And also we have a combination of purchases and payments. We'll start off with the right-hand column again, the balance column. We're coming in with a balance of $215. And now to get the next balance, we're going to add $245.52, which is $460.52. And now we'll add $89.95, which is $550.47. And now we'll subtract 300, which is $250.47. The reason we're subtracting is because it's a payment. And now we'll add back in $46.98. For the last balance being $297.45. Okay, so now let's fill in the first column, days. We have to count carefully. The first balance of $215 even goes from August 14th up to and including the 21st, which is 8 days. The next balance goes from the 22nd up to including the 28th, which is 7 days. For the next one, remember that August has 31 days. So from the 29th up to including the 3rd, if you need to write it out, 29, 30, 31, 1, 2, 3 is 6 days. The 4th up to and including the 9th is also 6 days. And notice that the cycle repeats on the 14th, which means we are going from September 10th up to the 13th, which is 4 days, 10, 11, 12, 13. Do not count the 14th because that's the next cycle. All right, to find the average daily balance, we will take the number of days times the corresponding balance. So 8 times 215 plus 7 times 460, 52, plus 6 times 550.47, plus another 6 times 250.47, and lastly plus 4 times 297.47. I'm sorry, 45. All over the total number of days, which you could either write as 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 6 plus 4, which is just 31, by the way, the number of days in August. Carefully putting this into your calculator, I would strongly suggest parentheses around the numerator. If you write it as 31, you don't need parentheses around the denominator. We get our average daily balance to be about $352.87. Remember, your average daily balance should be a number between the smallest number on your table and the largest. So we go from 215 up to 550. 352.87 is between that. That's good to go. So now to figure out the finance charge, we'll use the formula I equals PRT, where the P is the average daily balance. The R, we're told the interest rate is 17.99%, so 0.1799. And since we had 31 days in our cycle, we'll say T is 31 over 365. Putting that into the calculator, I get $5.39. So then to figure out the minimum amount due, what they would do is they would take the $297.45, the ending balance. They would add in the finance charge, the $539, which gives them $302.84. And then what the bank will do is take between 2 and 4% typically of this 302.84, and that's the minimum amount due. So it does vary from bank to bank.